Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to review Logitech C922 webcam. This is capable of recording 1080p 30fps or 720p at 60fps. These are the topics I'm going to cover: the product review, the video of C922, I'm going to compare it with others, then the audio of C922, and finally the conclusion. So out of the box the product looks like this. There are two speakers on both sides, Logitech branding on the front. It got a very good mount. You can mount it on any surface, I mean the monitor, any monitor or any laptop. It also got the option to mount on a tripod. I bought this for around 8,500 on Amazon. In the offer you can get it for even lesser price. The wire is already attached to the webcam and it is quite strong as well. The length of the wire is around 1 meter. It will be enough if you are using a laptop, but if you are using a CPU and if it is very far away from your monitor, you have to keep that in mind. Before looking at the C922 video, let me show you how a normal laptop webcam looks like. See how the colors are washed out and there is a lot of noise. You can see the curtain behind me, and even on my t-shirt you can see the grain. On the darker areas there are a lot of grains. And now moving on to the Logitech C922, immediately you will notice the quality. Because it is 1080p, the quality might have improved, but as you also saw, there is some focusing issues when I move right and left. It is trying to focus. That's because it has autofocus feature. Here I am going to demonstrate the autofocus feature. This is very useful when you have any documents or products that you want to show on the video, like the product review or any office documents that you want to show. It can really go very close, and because it is full HD, the quality is also very good on this. But the only problem it has is the dynamic range. See, on the darker areas, look at my chin where the shadow is there, it is too dark. So for the comparison, I have also added the Samsung mobile's front camera video in this. But overall, if you see, Logitech one has good resolution, but the dynamic range issue is there. But you will get autofocus there. Inbuilt laptop camera are garbage. They don't have resolution, or there is a lot of noise. Colors are also washed out. Obviously the mobile front camera looks better because it's a Samsung S21 and the colors are good. The overall lighting is also good. It looks better than Logitech, but if you want a webcam, if you don't want to use mobile phone, I think Logitech does a better job. This audio is directly coming from the microphone of the Logitech C922. Let me know how is the audio coming out. There is a road nearby. Are you able to hear the sound of the vehicles passing by? Let me know. This is the ideal conditions. I'm at my home and there is no fan switched on, so ideal conditions to take office meetings and other meetings. So let me know how is the audio, and you can always use an headset to have a better audio quality. But let me know what is the audio quality directly from the Logitech. So now I'm recording the audio from an external microphone. I'm using Blue Snowball microphone. So let me know how is the difference in the audio. I think the audio should have improved because external microphone is better any day than these inbuilt microphones. I'm in the same conditions. I'm at my home. the fan is switched on, there's a road nearby, vehicles will be passing by. So let me know, is this microphone able to reduce the background noise compared to the Logitech C922 microphone? So let me know how is the audio. So in conclusion, why should you spend around 8500 for Logitech C922? Because it has 1080p recording, it is capable of autofocus, and because it is a webcam, you can take calls longer hours compared to your mobile phone. If you want to take the longer calls and the quality is not the issue, then don't buy it, go for the inbuilt webcam. But if you want to take shorter calls and the quality is important, then go for any mobile camera. Mobile cameras nowadays are very good compared to any webcam. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.